everybody, and welcome to this year's edition of Project Erasmus Plus eSports. We're very excited to be here. Another year, another great tournament is awaiting us. Today with you, there will be myself, Blaž Cilenšek, and beside me is Primo Gorinc. And we would like to welcome you all once again to what is a very exciting event. Believe us, there is a lot of things happening right now. But so far as me and Primo, we can't wait to get in the games. But first, let's talk a little bit about why we're actually here and what is going on. Well, the Erasmus Plus eSports project is a gaming-boosted project for school engagement in students with learning disabilities. And basically the purpose and the challenge of the project is to introduce how gaming can be used to engage and be more incorporated into the school educational plan, and how it could positively influence students with learning disabilities in order to improve their well-being, concentration, cooperation, and other benefits. Now, the countries that are with us today, the countries that are cooperating, are the Czech Republic, Italy, Portugal, and of course where we are, which is Slovenia. Talk about what we expect from this tournament, and just in general, what are your feelings about the players and the environment?
Yeah, I think everybody came here actually to have fun. The first purpose is, I think, to promote esports, to promote inclusivity of also people with some learning disabilities, but the other thing, to have fun, to play some games. We see that players are already having fun in our place, playing some maybe FIFA versus each other and warming up their fingers this way. And we're expecting especially some fun games. You talked about maybe some favorites before the games, but I think teams from Slovenia will try to defend our honor as well. So we're maybe expecting from them to perform, but it's mostly about having fun and cooperating and meeting people from other countries.
Like you said, are here to have fun. That is what is the big victories here is, I think, who will make the most connections between players, who will perhaps continue playing with each other after the tournament ends. That's what it's all about, to creating partnerships, creating friendships that will last a long time in gaming. Okay, the pillar is here, Trundle is here, the ultimate as well here from the Malphite. He's gonna block them into the turret. Wow, that's a nice play. The subjugate still available for King Khan if he wants to use it, and indeed he does. This is not looking good anymore for Sigimundus, but here comes the Stand United. Now let me ask you a bit more about the project that you are participating in. I ask every player this, and let me just ask you as well. What does gaming mean to you? What is gaming for you, even in a school environment, perhaps, to you?
Well, it's a hobby. I play it because it's fun, and it socializes with other people, and you get to know other people from all around the world.
Have you made any friends here at this project?
Sure. Not really friends, but I talk to a lot of them, yes.
Yeah, okay. And this is what this project is all about. We have some audio. Now let me ask you more about the project.
Yes.
This project it's something out of the ordinary. So what does it mean to you to be here, to have like this sort of organization?
It's a nice community. It's lovely to talk to other people, learn about their culture. It's super nice.
That's very nice to hear. But what about gaming? To you personally, do you have any ambitions in gaming? Or what is gaming just to you?
For me, gaming is sometimes relaxing, sometimes it's obnoxious, sometimes it's stressful, but most of the time it's just relaxing. You just get home and play video games with your friends. It's a lovely feeling.
Do you believe gaming may... Let me ask you about the event. This is Erasmus Plus, right? Esports event. How is your school? Are you proud that you are participating in this?
Yeah, of course we are proud. We are part of that competition, and also because we are the only school from Slovenia momentarily in that game to play. So. Well, we are not the best, as I heard from our students, but it is important to be part of that.
They took third place, so I think that's good enough.
It is quite good.
King Khan is in a bit of trouble as the moonfall will come and it will signal the downfall of the Czech team.
Champion kill champion.
It is of course the MVP of the tournament, Vitali! Come on, dude! We're waiting for you. Team Latvia!